University College Cork is delighted to host the 5th International Workshop on Green Metrics on the 14th and 15th of April 2019. We are looking forward to welcoming delegates from more than 30 countries around the world to discuss the lessons, challenges and opportunities related to creating a sustainable university in today's changing world. This event highlights UCC standing as a leading campus for sustainability at a global level. The workshop is co-organised by the University of Indonesia, which ranks third-level institutions based on how environmentally sustainable their operational, educational and research activities are. UCC consistently appears within the top-ranked universities internationally. Last year, it was ranked 9th overall. UCC also holds a Gold Star rating from the Association of Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education and the Public Sector Organisation of the Year 2019 from the Irish Green Awards. The university's recently launched academic strategy highlights sustainability as a core value. Active sustainability initiatives include the university's new single-use plastic-free cafe, improved recycling facilities, and the Green Wall in the Boole Library. Many of these initiatives are a direct outcome of the UCC Green Campus Committee, a student-led group who drive research-informed and practice-focused change across the whole university. The Green Campus team are excited to welcome this conference to UCC and look forward to working with our international colleagues to ensure that higher education contributes to delivering the Sustainable Development Goals. As second-level students demand climate action from governments, the universities they will study in are leading the change to a more sustainable world.